Welcome to Atomic Symbols, Atomic Numbers, and Mass Numbers. The atoms of all elements are represented by atomic symbols. An atomic symbol is described as a one- or two-letter notation used to represent an atom corresponding to a particular element. When the symbol has two letters, only the first letter is capitalized. A complete list of atomic symbols can be found by clicking the Show Periodic Table button. The atomic symbol for carbon is C. The smaller number is the atomic number of the element. This is the number of protons that the atom contains. The larger number is the mass number, which is the sum of the number of protons and neutrons in the atom. In this example, we see that our carbon element has an atomic number of 6 and a mass number of 12. Adding the number of protons, which in this case is 6, to the number of neutrons gives us our mass number of 12, shown here on top. But how do we find out the number of neutrons? The number of neutrons is equal to the mass number minus the atomic number. So in this example, after subtracting the atomic number of 6 from the mass number of 12, we can determine that there are 6 neutrons. What about electrons? A neutral atom contains the same number of protons and electrons, so if we have 6 protons, we will then have 6 electrons. In this example, magnesium contains 12 protons, since the number of protons is the same as the atomic number. Magnesium also contains 12 neutrons, since the number of neutrons is equal to the mass number minus the atomic number. We can also determine that magnesium contains 12 electrons, since a neutral atom contains the same number of protons and electrons. For the following examples, we will determine how many protons, neutrons, and electrons are shown with the atomic symbol representing krypton. Type your answers in the text box and then click Submit to check your answers. Enter the correct number of protons. Now enter the correct number of neutrons. Enter the correct number of electrons. You have completed atomic symbols, atomic numbers, and mass numbers.